Hi, my name is Attorney Walter, if not the third. We're going to be going and doing question 120 of the top 200 Social Security Disability Hearing questions that you're likely to hear in your Social Security Disability Hearing. Let's do this one because this one's important. We're going to spend a little bit of time on it. It's part of the negative section. Question is, if you quit using narcotics, heavy drugs, when and how did you quit? What made you decide to quit? What inspired you to quit using heroin? What inspired you to stop using crack cocaine? Well, Your Honor, I used my own will to change the way in which I look at it. I didn't want to be a slave anymore to them. I didn't want to wake up without money anymore. I didn't want to wake up worrying about where I was going to find more money. I didn't want to wake up homeless anymore. I didn't want to wake up on the street where I get raped. I didn't want to cool, but not useful. What they want to hear is which program you were in that worked with you with professionals that they can go order the record from. And here's why. People who have difficulty quitting smoking are all over the place. Quitting smoking is like a 1 out of 10 difficulty compared to a 10 out of 10 of quitting crack cocaine. Crack cocaine changes you on a very, very heavy level. You cannot imagine anything other than the next ride you are on, and that is a problem because when people can't quit smoking and then smokers go, look at that crackhead, I sit back and think, well, you're a bleeping idiot. You're obviously completely moronic because you can't quit smoking and they're smoking something called crack, which is significantly more difficult to quit. Please be considerate of the reality that the drug users have no capacity to stop using them unless professionals are working with them. That's just pretty much it. Okay, they need somebody, even if it's somebody who's certified to just be their Abilla buddy, right? Or their whatever buddy, or their it's accountability buddy. That's what it is. It takes more than just a person and their will to go ahead and get them off of crack cocaine or heroin. Okay, it does. It does. I don't care what you think. It does. I see it every day. What do you know? I work with the homeless every single day. What do you know? I've been working with them for 15 years. Well, what do you know? I know more than you. I just do. I've been doing this for too long. I know how it works. I know the game. I know how hard it is. I know what the drug dealers do to these moms that have lots of kids. The kids come out of the womb needing drugs. It's horrific. Most of you couldn't even handle the basics of it. I mean, you're crying out like a dog commercial, or they're trying to get 69 cents a damn day for to feed a dog, Which, by the way, you should do. You should do that because there are a lot of animals out there that need your support. Whether you donate 69 cents or do something else to support animals, you should support animals because they need our love and they need our affection. They do have souls and they are amazing creatures of Earth. So please do whatever you can for them. They need it more than anything. So if you wanted to ever donate to me, I would be more than happy to not receive that donation if you were to give it to any animal help group that assists animals. So anyways, guys, we'll go on to question 121 after I get a few waters in that cup so that I don't have a dry voice like I do right now. My name is Attorney Walter, if not the third. If you have a question, shoot me an email or give me a call. Also, I go live on YouTube from 8 to 10 Eastern Standard every Thursday. And then remember, like, subscribe, and leave 5-star reviews where you can on Google, Avo, Better Business Bureau, and other places as well. Have an absolutely wonderful day. I'll catch you a little bit later, and we will go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.